Whoa!
I filed my eligible obligation.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
I'm talking about eligible obligation on
What?
the USCA.
Oh, you talking all that kind of stuff. I'm striking all that. If I hear it again, I'm not going to let you represent yourself. I promise you.
Oh,
That's enough. I don't want to hear another word.
okay. I like to also.
Another one? I don't want to hear another word. No, put him out.
Put your hands on me like that.
Hush. Get him out of the courtroom. I don't want to hear another word. I just heard another word, Mr. Baker. Hush.
All right. So today we're talking about a guy who could get 30 years in prison. Instead of hiring a lawyer like most people would, he thought he could defend himself. He believed he could handle it on his own. Either he's completely out of touch with reality or just doesn't care what happens to him. Spoiler, it goes badly. The judge completely shuts him down, and the courtroom turns into a bit of a circus. Seriously, though, why would anyone act like a sovereign citizen, pretending they're above the law, when they're facing that much prison time? Let's check it out.
Baker, you're before the court day for your arraignment. And let's see. You're not. Have you hired an attorney?
No, sir.
Do you plan on hiring one?
No, sir.
Are you going to represent yourself, or do you wish
Yes,
to have
sir.
the public defender to represent you?
No, sir. I'm representing myself.
All right, you're before the court today for your arraignment. You've been charged by way of an information with possession of a cocaine, possession of a controlled substance, count 1 and 2. Those are both third-degree felonies, punishable to 5 years in the Florida Department of Corrections and a $5,000 fine. You have a count 3, which is fleeing or attempting to elude high-speed reckless. I believe that should be a second-degree felony, punishable to 15 years in the Florida Department of Corrections and a $10,000 fine. Count 4 is drive my license, cancel, suspend, or revoke third or subsequent offense. That's a third-degree felony, punishable to 5 years in the Florida Department of Corrections and a $5,000 fine. And count 5, possession of marijuana less than 20 grams, which is a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable to 1 year in the county jail and a $1,000 fine. So you're looking at a total of about 30 years in the Florida Department of Corrections if you're convicted of everything and you get the maximum sentence. And you're still wishing to represent.
How do you look a judge in the face and say, "Yes, sir," after being told you're facing 30 years? I just don't get these sovereign citizen people. I kind of understand using that excuse for a speeding ticket. Still dumb, but low stakes. But for 30 years? That's when you need to stop pretending and take things seriously. The courts don't care about made-up legal theories. These kinds of defenses never work. Judges have thrown them out again and again, but this guy clearly doesn't know that, or doesn't care, and is acting like he's smarter than the system. Is he trying to outsmart the judge, or is something just not right with him? I honestly can't tell.
Sworn in.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Baker, state your name.
Lee Baker.
And Mr. Baker, you have asked to represent yourself. Is that correct?
Yes.
How far did you get in school?
9th grade.
Okay. And so you can read and write?
Yes.
Okay. Are you employed?
No, sir.
All right. How do you make a living?
I'm unemployed right now. I was living with someone else.
Sir?
I'm unemployed. I was living with someone else. I just got out of jail about 5 months ago.
Okay. Well, what is your trade?
I have my own business,
All right. What kind of business?
a cleaning business.
Okay. And have you ever represented yourself before?
Yes.
All right. Let's see. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol today, which would affect your ability to make this decision to represent yourself?
No.
Have you ever been diagnosed with a mental illness that would affect your ability to
No,
to make this decision?
No.
All right. You understand that attorneys are trained in the rules of evidence, criminal procedure, and the law, and they're there to assist you in preparing for pretrial motions, preparing for pretrial hearings, and to participate in discovery, and also preparing for trial.
I comprehend that very well.
All right, and sir, you understand that if you're representing yourself, you'll be held to that same standard.
I comprehend that.
All right, and I cannot assist you in any way. The state attorney would not be able to assist you in any way. Is that correct?
I comprehend.
All right, you still wish to represent yourself?
Yes.
All right, Madam Clerk, if you'll print out the information, and Deputy Dexter, it's okay if the clerk hands the information to Mr. Baker? All right, Madam Clerk, if you'll do that. Mr. Baker, when you receive that information, I'm going to ask that you enter a plea at this time.
I'd like to file 2 motions on the record as well, sir.
All right, I want to do your arraignment first.
All right.
All right, whenever you're ready. You'll let me know and you enter your plea.
I end up pleading not guilty.
Okay. All right, you're filing motions.
Yes, sir. I
You
got
have copies for the state.
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I got a declaratory judgment, and I want to furnish this bond to the clerk
You file it. Go ahead.
for my release from the Bay County Jail today.
Okay.
He mentioned USCA, which is just a regular U.S. code with extra notes added for explanation. It sounds fancy, but I bet he doesn't even know what it really means. People like this throw around legal words like magic spells, thinking the right phrase will somehow make the judge let them go. It doesn't work that way. He also brought up this fake idea that criminal charges are like unpaid tickets you can just erase. That's been proven false many times. But here he is, acting like he's uncovered some hidden legal trick. Do you think he really believed this stuff? Or is he just trying to confuse everyone?
That's declaratory judgment. That's for the clerk only.
Now, you're providing a copy of the state, everything you've given the clerk.
The bond, I shouldn't have to give the bond. The bond goes straight to the clerk.
Anything you file that you want me to consider, you have to provide a copy to the state, sir. That's you're representing yourself. You have to know those rules. If you don't, you're going to mess up.
That.
If you're not providing to the state, I'm not going to consider it.
Okay.
And the clerk doesn't make any determinations on that. All the clerk determines is whether you're innocent or not.
I'm not talking about the bond for the declaratory judgment. I'm talking about the bond for the clerk to release me today. I filed my eligible obligation.
What are you talking about?
Sir?
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about eligible obligation on the USCA.
Oh, you talking all that kind of stuff. I'm striking all that. And if I hear it again, I'm not going to let you represent yourself.
Honestly, I think the judge was trying to help the guy by kicking him out of the courtroom and getting him real legal help. Some people might say the judge was being too harsh, but what was he supposed to do? Let the guy keep saying made-up legal nonsense while wasting everyone's time? No. The judge basically said, you don't want to act like a serious adult. So here's someone who actually understands the law. We need more judges like this who don't waste time on internet conspiracy theories. If this guy just did a bit more research, he'd know that no sovereign citizen has ever actually won in court. Do you think the judge did the right thing? Or should he let the guy keep embarrassing himself? Personally, I think the judge was patient. He gave the guy a chance to stop playing pretend, but it seems like the guy is just going to keep going. Let me know what you think.
We'll set this for a pre-trial. We'll set it for a... Don't ask me any questions like that, sir. I'm not answering any questions. If you want to file a motion, file your motion. We'll set it for our December... When's that motion day in December? December 19th at 9 o'clock. Sir, you may... If you're going to do the sovereign citizen and all that, you may want to consider having the attorney...
I'm a private citizen, sir. I'm not a sovereign citizen. I'm a private citizen.
Listen to me. If you're going to pursue that, you may want to reconsider representing yourself.
No, sir.
But I'm not going to pay attention to any of that, and I'm going to strike all that.
Okay.
So we'll see you December 19th at 9 o'clock.
It's no problem. Oh,
That's enough. I don't want to hear another word.
okay. I'd like to also.
Another one? I don't want to hear another word. No, put him out.
Put your hands on me like that.
Hush. Get him out of the courtroom. I don't want to hear another word. I just heard another word, Mr. Baker. Hush. Whoa. Mr. Baker, I'm going to appoint the Office of Public Defender to represent you. I'm going to find that you're not competent to represent yourself at this time. I'm going to reverse my decision. The Office of Public Defender is going to represent him. We'll keep it on that December 19th date. I just did. Come on now. Y'all close that door where I can't hear him.